ako ah.
Hello, hello! Welcome back to my vlog. So, Manila trip kami ngayon.
Where are we? Where are you?
In the Jollibee.
It's not Jollibee. It's more.
So, ayan, mostly makikita niyo sa video, puro kami biyahe. Tapos, ang layo ng Manila from Bicol. Pero masaya ang trip to. Stopover kami na stopover. Ayan, nasa Lopez ba lang kami niyan. Stopover ulit kasi pagod na yung driver ko. Kawawa na. And then, ayan, biyahe ulit. Pero malapit na kami niyan. Nasa SLEX na kami ata nito. Finally, nandito na kami sa Heritage Hotel.
Daddy. Where's Daddy? Wow, so pretty. Are you happy?
Yes. What's that?
Whoa.
So hide in there. Whoa.
Whoa, big bathtub, Daddy. Hi. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
Hi, Sab.
Thank you, Dad. Okay.
Morning!
Good morning.
Like the bathtub?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yes. It's like swimming pool.
It's like swimming pool.
Yeah. With the tummy bubbles.
Wow.
So today, meet namin yung sis-in-law ko and yung partner niya. Let's go! Magmumall lang kami today. Sa MOA lang kami, malapit dun sa hotel.
Morning, princess. Look at my hair.
Hi, Dad. Sungit mo naman.
Hello.
I can't see it. Where's my iPad?
Wala.
In my bag. Where's that egg?
Ayan o, P, parking lot.
Ganda-gandaan si ate. Eat muna kami sa Yakiniku dahil masarap daw yung beef dito. Let's go!
Ben, nayabang na naman ako.
I-issue na.
Sab, ayan, nagpapabili na naman kay Tata Saki at Tata Eka niya. Try namin to. Yum.
Dapat pala dyan na lang siya ka.
Ayan, time zone sila. Gusto ko sana mag-NX kasi hintayin niyo to.
Wala.
Kukusay. Nagpunta rin kami ng, ano nga to? IKEA. Ayun, wala lang. Explore, explore. Tuwan-tuwa dun si Sam.
Oh, ganda. Daddy.
Merienda time. Pagod na. Ganda. Pauwi na kami. Hindi pa pagod yung isa, kaya swimmy.
Don't take a shower first.
Mahulog ka.
Brushing your teeth underwater.
No.
Yay!
Ayan, rest muna. Tomorrow naman. Yan, try kami Panda Express. Wala nito sa Bicol eh. Sarap. Thank you.